happy Monday. It's Monday. I had to think about that for a minute. Today I went to Walmart really quickly and I went to Dollar Tree. I still have to do the Dollar Tree haul, but I went to Walmart. I didn't get very much, just some yogurt and bleach and chips, just a few little odds and ends, toothpaste, Metamucil, stuff like that. But I was walking just down, there's like the freezer section, or the meat section I should say, and then on the other side of me are just aisles of food and stuff. On an end cap, I saw these bad boys staring at me. What? Look, little baseball cheese balls. Real cheese, white cheddar cheese balls. I picked those up within a half a second. I didn't even have to think about it. And I am dying to try them. I am so hungry. We're gonna do them right now. Whew. They don't really smell like anything. Usually you open things up and you can smell. They look good, but they barely smell like anything. They don't really look like a baseball, but it's okay. You can barely taste them. What's going on? They're good from what I can taste of them, but these are not flavorful. They're tasty, they taste good, the cheese is good, but I can barely taste the cheese puff and I can barely taste the cheese. I'm just basically eating puffed corn or whatever, unflavored. I mean, I can barely taste them. And I don't have the vid or anything like that. So, I mean, I can taste everything and anything. So I'm not sick or anything. These just have no flavor, period. Real cheese, made with real cheese. Well, the cheese I have in the fridge tastes a lot better than this. But for about 25 balls, it's 150 calories. That's too bad. I was really looking forward to liking these. I mean, I like them, but they have no flavor. I've never in my life tasted balls that have no flavor. Oh well. Anywho. I bought bleach. Well, that's I already bought that anyway. I don't remember, not very much. I didn't buy very much at all. But I did go to Dollar Tree. And I started to do my Dollar Tree haul, but I just couldn't get into it. So I stopped. I have some taste tests to do. I haven't gotten into those. I didn't do those yet, so it's okay that I start over. This is unreal. I dropped my balls. My balls dropped. I can only see one. Did one go? the stove because I don't see it. Anyway, so I haven't done anything but lay around all last week. There was one day where I didn't feel very well. I just felt like I was getting a head cold or something. Like, you know how you start, your nose kind of starts burning up in here. Not burning, but you just kind of feel hot. And sometimes you get a little bit of snot trickling down your throat, like, oh, I'm getting a cold. And then I kind of got a small headache. Well, that's what I had for just a day. And then I was better the next day. But I just haven't had anything to vlog you guys. I've done nothing. Nothing. So, I'm sorry I'm eating, but man, I can't stop. Okay. I'm stopping. Those are a huge disappointment. Don't get them. I mean, I am gonna eat them because they're puffy and they're good, but yeah, don't get them. They just don't have any flavor. And this is my Sprite Zero. This stuff's not bad. It tastes good. Kind of like after you're finished, after it goes down. It's got a little bit of a diety aftertaste, you know. But it's decent. Oh yeah, one thing I bought at Walmart was this pet disinfecting cleaner. I like to have pet cleaner upstairs. I leave a bottle upstairs under the sink in the bathroom, and then I leave one in my bathroom in our bedroom, and then I like to have one in the kitchen. I like to have these at reach at all times because Momo likes to barf. She'll get a hairball, or she just, I maybe haven't mixed her Miralax well enough. I don't know. Sometimes she just likes to barf, and it's disgusting. And this has odor removing technology, so I truly hope this stuff's good. I usually use, I can't remember. It comes in a blue bottle. Just like that, comes in a blue bottle. But anyway, so yeah, I got this. And I write pet spray on the bottle because some bottles that I use, you know, like a Clorox bleach bottle, I don't want Daryl to accidentally spray that on the floor if he's cleaning up the mess, because then he'll bleach my carpet. Like down here, I've got this Clorox bleach cleaner, and I put on the top, not on carpet, so that he sees that and won't, and me, and we won't spray this on the carpet. And this is what I normally use here, the Woolite. This is really good. Removes tough stains. This is really good, but I'm interested to see what the Lysol is all about. They only had the Lysol one. They didn't have any other kind. So anyway, I'm excited to try that out. I mean, I'm not excited to try it out. I'm not excited for her to barf. I'm not excited to clean the carpet, but when the time comes, it'll be interesting to see what it is like. I got me some more Chobani. This is the key lime flip. I like that, so I got more of those. I only have one more left. And then a while back, I got this on a grocery haul. I used to like this one. I mean, I still like it. I used to eat it all the time. And you put a little Lorna Doone cookie in there, you crunch it up and put it in. It's good, but it's just not my favorite anymore. My mom used to love these. She used to love these. And I got on the bandwagon for a little while, but they're just not my thing anymore. Oh. Well, it's okay. I was going to get some more of this strawberries. These are the sliced strawberries with sugar. They came frozen, but then after they thaw, it's just like a wet mess. And I had some vanilla yogurt, and I would make a strawberry smoothie with that, with my yogurt and my almond milk. I didn't buy any more vanilla yogurt, so, and this is almost empty, but that's okay. I'm going to put this in my lemonade drinks, my True Lemon drinks. And then I bought these. Look, Bob Evans single serve. There are 2 single servings. Oh my heck. Can you get over it? I love mashed potatoes and I never want to make them. And the big tubs, we never eat them all. And, you know, I can do an instant powdery potato, but I saw these for the first time and I died. 180 calories for a bowl. That's not too bad. I love mashed potatoes. This would be perfect. And it looks like they're a good size bowl. I'm excited, so I bought 2. And I could just eat these just for dinner, you know, put some bacon bits on it and sour cream and butter. That sounds delicious. And some cheese, don't forget the cheese. And yeah, that's like all I got there, besides bleach and toothpaste. And then last night, Daryl picked up some prescriptions at the store, and so he had to pick up some snickerdoodles. These are so good, you guys. These are so good. I had one this morning, and now I'm nibbling on this one. I can only have one because these are 250 calories a piece. So, yep, I cannot have any more of that. And he also bought this umpqua, I'm not sure how you say it, triple chocolate. This is dark chocolate, French milk chocolate, and Alpine white chocolate ice cream plus real chocolate chips. I told him if he goes and picks up the prescriptions, he's allowed to have some ice cream. And he'll just sit and eat this ice cream. He takes it, watches TV with this on his lap, and then he eats it. Okay, I'm glad to see he didn't. I told him, you're allowed to go down to this level right here. And it looks like he pretty much listened to me. But it's good. I like the chocolate chips and the vanilla part the best. But they didn't have as utterly chocolate. It wasn't on sale from Tillamook, and this was cheaper. So, and I like this better. But I don't eat the ice cream. He does, I don't. Let's check out what else I have. I have this big, massive turkey booby. I got this for Thanksgiving, just in case it was just going to be me and Daryl for Thanksgiving. I guess I ought to thaw this sucker out and cook it in the crock pot, huh? Here's some ham, ham-a-lamma ding-dong. This must have been for New Year's, because I put it in on 122. What? I don't know. I don't know when I eat this ham. Maybe it was after New Year's. We got extra thin witch. I love this, and so the other day when I went to the store, I bought 2 and stuck one in the freezer. They were 2 for $7, so. I still have this sweet potato pie from Christmas, or was it Thanksgiving? I bought it for Thanksgiving, but my sister-in-law brought dessert, and so I just left that in the freezer, and it's still there. I haven't eaten it yet. I have tater tots. This is good. This is a Lean Cuisine cauliflower crust pizza. Doesn't taste like cauliflower at all. And it's not, the whole thing is not cauliflower. There's still flour and stuff in here. It's just made with cauliflower. Some cauliflower. popsicles here. And then this I take with me on my walks. I fill it up halfway with Gatorade, freeze it, and then I'll fill it up with more Gatorade and then take it on my walks, and then I just drink it throughout my walk. I like this little tiny baby size. It's tiny, and that's pretty much all I need. But I did save a little Sprite bottle because it's a little bit bigger for in the hot summer days if I need to drink a little bit more. I have some blueberries back there. I haven't opened those. This is when I was on my blueberry smoothie kick. Some waffles. Daryl and I were on a waffle kick a long time ago. I have these buns here. They're starting to get freezer burned. I should probably throw those away. I don't know. More blueberries in the back. Oh, and then not long ago I bought these cheese tortellinis from Walmart. They're great value. They're really good. I like them. I should stick them up here so I can see them. More blueberries in the back. There was a time when I ate so many blueberries in my smoothies every day, and now I just don't even want them. I have my favorite chicken breasts, the Fast Fixin'. There's only one left in this bag, and it comes with this gravy. It comes like a little powdered gravy pack. So there's a new one. And then I have some ground chicken, and then I have some chicken breasts down in there, and I also have little bits of hamburger. Like, I'll take a pound of hamburger and quarter it, and then I put each little square in a piece of foil and freeze it. I have some Pagoda cream cheese wontons. These are good. These are really old. I don't know. I'm sure I'll still eat them. They expired last year. Last March of 21, but I'll still eat them. And then here's some peas and corn. And that's some ice cream. And I have an old burrito here that's probably icy. Oh, and then I have some creamies. I should just, actually, there's only one left. These are really good. This is a peach creamy. I hope you're not bored. I just all of a sudden thought, why not show what's in my fridge? And then these are party pizzas I got. They're probably like 2.5 years old. I was stocking my fridge when all the food was going off the shelves because of the vid. And so I just bought those and we never ate them. Daryl doesn't like them and I love them, but I don't want to eat a whole one. I could definitely eat a whole one, but I don't want to allow myself. But I guess I could cook one and eat half, but I could probably promise you that I would end up eating the whole thing. And then finally, this is kind of a weird one. These are refried beans. That's just ice, it's not freezer. I'm gonna shut my thing here. It's not freezer burn. So I opened up a can of refried beans not long ago for when we had tacos, and this is like the whole can. I didn't want to throw it away, and so I just put like single size servings, just a couple spoonfuls in a little thing of saran wrap, and then when I want to eat them, I just thaw them out. And I've already done that once, and these tasted really good. They were fine. And then I had some black beans left over from a can of black beans, and so I had 2 little baggies of these, and I've already eaten one. But I used to end up just throwing these away all the time. But now I save them like this, and it's perfect. It's just perfect. And then I just keep them in this little dish and keep them up in the freezer. Okay, so we're gonna have these tortellinis tonight. They're just cheese tortellini along with some Prego. And I'm frying up a little 1/4 pound of hamburger right now. And I'm waiting for the water to boil. And I've added onion powder, garlic salt, and onion salt, and I did put in some Italian seasoning too. Every time. Where'd you go for lunch today?
Poco Loco.
Yummy. Chicken and rice and bean bowl. I drove by there today after Walmart and I was like, ooh, that sounds good. Is it good? That was fast. Okay, here's all the leftovers. So I will eat this sometime this week, probably. It was delicious. So this just happened. I dropped her food on the floor. I just put it in her dish and then I dropped it on the floor. Okay guys, I don't think I'm going to do 4 miles tonight. It's almost 8 o'clock. That'll just take too long, so maybe I'll do 3. And away we go.